We bought this 2013 Toyota Prius. We're gonna part it out, just scrap it, remove all the parts and sell it as parts, and let's find out if we make a profit on it. Car basically needs a rear bumper, side fender, front bumper. The hood is broken, and this side fender, it's okay. The car is drivable. You can drive the car, and the radiator support is damaged. We're gonna find out if this car worth more if we sell it as is, fixing it and sell it, or part the car and sell it. You got a flat tire, but the good thing about this car, the car is running. The car doesn't have any problems. There's no check engine, there's no light, no ABS light, no check engine, no airbag light. It's totally fine, drivable. You can drive this car right now, but it's risky. It's old car. I'm gonna call my the place that we buy parts, body parts, find out each part's price, write down all the parts together, like a rear bumper, front bumper, fender, hood, radiator support, and then after that I'm going to calculate how much it costs to paint them and install them and paint them. After that we're going to find out how much we can sell it. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to calculate all the numbers and then go through the parts, take all the parts, scrap the car. I can say 90% I'm sure we can make more money if we sell this car as a parts. Let's say this car is a Cadillac. Someone came and tore this car, took everything they can. They took the engine, they took the transmission out, they took the hood. No, the hood is there. Oh, they put it in another car. They took the door. These cars, the seats are so valuable, but this car was damaged. The seat were damaged, wasn't really valuable, but you see, they took the wheels. Even I remember one of the wheels was not matching, was different, but they took it. We had a car, it was in our shop. One of my employees, he left it there. It was a Chevy Silverado 2009, 5.3 if I remember correctly. He quit from working, basically. I called him, hey, come and pick up your car. He financed the car, and that car had a transmission issue. He didn't came. And we were thinking, what I'm gonna do with this car? It doesn't have a title. I have a key, but it's not drivable. Even if I fix it, I can't sell it. I can't drive the car. It doesn't have a tag. It's not on my name. And after a while, I was thinking, okay, let's find out. I'm gonna call the junkyard and see how much they wanna buy the car. I called the junkyard and they offered me $400. I denied it. I said, no, there is a better way. I list the car as a parts. I didn't even took the parts out. I list the car as a parts, and in one day people came with the ratchet, with the jack stand, with the tools, with the cutting tools. They took the parts, they took everything they can: seats, catalytic converter, engine, transmission, steering column, bumpers, bed, tailgate, everything. And that car made me $6,000. Yes, 500, 6,000. I made $5,500 more than what junkyard offered me. Yeah, that's possible. If you have a junk car and you think you want to get rid of it, just check it out. Just list it as parts. See who's coming. Just make sure to do your research. Don't give away parts, because I did the mistake for seats on that car because I didn't know they were so valuable. They came and bought it like $300, $400 per front driver's seat and the passenger seat. I didn't know, and then I found out those seats the prices was $1,100, $900, and I didn't know that. Even if I was in this industry for a while, and I did a mistake. Don't do this mistake. Research, check the parts online, see how much they're selling for. You can check eBay or carparts.com, but easy to find. Do that. Alright guys, we brought the car to our house. We towed it last night, and I called the part department, our vendors, for body parts, and the total parts that we're gonna pay for it, hood, fender, both fender, front bumper, radiator support, rear bumper, and we don't know what else we need, because body works, we may need headlights too. I don't want to risk and fix the car. The total parts that the things that we know, it's $900, $897. And the guy, he told me he's gonna charge me $1,000 to install them and paint them. And total number with installation, parts and everything, $1,900. We spent $2,000 for this car. It's like $3,900 per car right now. It's deep in. And this is 2013 with 215,000 miles. I don't know, I'm able to get back that money or not, but I'm sure if I I sell the parts of this car, I can get good money. The catalytic converter of this car is expensive. As I said, it's $1,000. ABS pump, booster. This car has a special booster. In eBay, it listed for $397, $400 easily. Engine running perfectly fine, no check engine, no hesitation, no oil leak, nothing. I can sell the converter, whatever. I can sell the battery, I can sell the body parts, doors, tailgates, a lot of stuff in this car, the radio, the screen, a lot of stuff in this car can be sold. And I can do the same thing for this BMW too. This BMW doesn't have any problem, no body, no engine, no transmission issue, but it's sitting here. We didn't have a time to clean it up. Just I need to wash it. The check engine is on. I have to change the oxygen sensor, I think, and it's ready to go. I don't think so. It's a good idea to part out this car because it has a low mileage. It's 130,000 miles with the new engine, used engine. But anyway, I'm gonna list this car in a Facebook marketplace as parts and see what people says and what people want to pay for it, and whoever want to buy it, because I can remove the parts, inspect it. I have to remove the battery, inspect all the bolts and nuts and connections, see if they're good, there's no corrosion. I think I can sell it easily around like 5,000, 5,500 maybe. I'm gonna list it today and see what comes up. All right, I'm gonna take a couple pictures for eBay, and you see, engine is really good. I'm thinking engine has been replaced because it has a mark on it, ZZR, whatever. Normally they do it because when junkyard they sell parts, they mark up, so for returns or some sort of warranty stuff. I think this has been changed, and I hope the battery is changed too. I'm gonna take a couple pictures from the rims. Has good tires too, and from interior. Seats and headlights and stuff. I think that's all we need. And let me check the battery, if this battery has been replaced or not. Let me see. I'm gonna post it on as many group as I can, see what people want to buy. I'm assuming I can sell the battery, ABS pump and the engine really fast, and catalytic converter, and then we will see. We will find out what else we can sell, and just for the rest of the stuff we will wait, no rush. But it's in good condition, as you guys see. Car drivable, that's a good point. It's a positive thing. So when the car is driving, it means the battery is good, engine is good, transmission is good, all electric components are functioning, even the screen and the cluster and stuff. And I think that's perfect. All right, we're gonna wait and see who's gonna send us a text and ask us for parts, and then we will go from there. Thanks. All right, guys, this is the Toyota Prius that I was talking. I was trying to sell as parts, but it didn't work out really good. And now we are gonna go to plan B. What's a plan B? Plan B is to buy parts, whatever you need, like fender, hood, bumper, whatever it requires. Just get this car fixed and sell it as quick as possible. Guys, I was not able to finish this car at home, and as you guys know, I got the shop and I brought it to the shop. We installed the fender. The fender had clear coat on it. We painted. Looks good now, and we are installing everything back together. See how it works. And middle of the job, I did the mistake I poke a hole in the radiator. I got the new radiator. It's installed, and the rest I think goes back as it should. I got 2 fender cover. They were missing, and I have to buy, I think this panel here is missing, the tray. The tray is missing, the cover is missing, a lot of things is missing in this car. It used to have like advertising things, you know, the cable was going through this and going to the fuse box. They removed it, and I think we're good to go now. My mechanic, he's trying to put the hood back. This is the hood. Everything's fit, but I think it had, because of the accident, it got some problems. He need to move some holes, just move some screws to fit this properly on the headlights. I'm hoping we can finish this today and put everything back together, get it run. I think the rest, it goes back really fast and easy. Shouldn't be hard, and I will update when I'm done with this car, and then we will wash it, we will clean it and put it for sale, see how much we can sell this car. This is Toyota Prius. The Toyota Prius sells really good, really fast, easy to sell. It doesn't sit for a long time. I got 2 other cars already for sale, the Honda Accord and other Prius. The Prius is sold, the Honda Accord not yet. Have to wait, see who's buying it. But this Prius, I think, sells really fast, and I need to get this emblem too for the other side. It's missing. There is a hole right there, you see? It's missing. Yeah, there's another things I have to add it on list. Finally sold the car. It took so long to put that car together because it was like a junk car. It was a lot of works for me to do, all painting, body work and stuff, and I was in the middle of the process of renting a shop, and I had to move the car. I had to move all the parts that I had, but we put it together, and I want to show you this video. This is the final result. It looks amazing. It looks like a brand new car. And we sold the car 4900, and unfortunately we didn't make money, but it was a good project for me to learn painting, sanding, body work and mechanical, and experience another car if that car sells like a parts or not, because I didn't try it before. I tried on this Prius. I know it will sell eventually as a parts, but it takes so much time. And if you have a place, if you have a garage, if you don't need that place, you can put the car there and slowly sell the cars. Because I see people they sell, but I changed my plan during the after I listed for I think for a week. I changed my plan. I said, don't worry about it. Let's fix this car and then sell it. I fixed it and sold. It took a while to sell this car because I had a lot of problems. Unfortunately, the ABS light came on. We had to change the ABS pump and a lot of stuff, small things. And there is a things that I learned whenever I see a car has been in an accident. Don't look at just, oh, we need a bumper. Oh, we need like hood. With the hood alongside with those parts, a lot of stuff it needed, like a hinge, like a cable. Maybe cable is broken, maybe the hunk is not working, maybe that the support need adjustment, or all of these things happen in this car, and taught me a lot about the cars has been in an accident. And I shouldn't just prejudge it really quick. Oh, this is a good car, I'm gonna put this part, and eventually it's gonna be a good profit. But it wasn't. Well, that was a good lesson. And if you enjoyed this video, let me know. If you had any question, let me know again, and hit this like button. Thanks.